Hi everyone, welcome to Infigyan. This question we will solve by two methods again. So method 1, let us consider AM greater than GM concept. So I am taking two numbers x and 1 over x. So find out the numbers AM arithmetic mean. So x plus 1 over x divided by 2, that should be greater than GM. Geometric mean, that is square root of first number times second number. So this term will get cancelled out. So from here we will be getting x plus 1 over x always greater than 2. Means the minimum value of left side, this side is 2. It should be greater than or equal to 2, means the minimum value of left side is 2 or greater than 2. Now come to the right side. As we know, cosine function, it is always greater than minus 1 and less than 1. So right side lies between minus 1 and 1. Left side is 2 or more than 2. So no intersection. So you can write there, because it is having minus 1 to 1 value and left side is, the minimum value is 2. So intersection, no solution will come out. No solution. Now let's take second method. So in second method, we will multiply this equation by x. So x square plus 1 is equal to x cos x. X square minus x cos x plus 1 is equal to 0. This is quadratic equation actually, where a is 1, b is minus cos x, c is 1. Now quadratic formula, that is minus b plus minus square root b square minus 4ac over 2a. Let's put the value. Cos x plus minus square root cos square x minus 4 over 2a. A is 1, so 2. Now come to this only square root part. I am targeting this part only. So let me consider cos square x minus 4. As we know, cos x lies between minus 1 and 1. So cos square x will be, it would be non-negative, so 0 to 1. Because you are taking square of any negative number, it will convert into positive. So it would be non-negative only, 0 to 1. Because 0 to 1 means number is fraction. If you take fraction square, it would be more smaller number. Now see this value, cos square x lies between 0 and 1. This value lies between 0 and 1. And you are taking away from there 4. So that would be negative value. That would be negative value. So if this bracket is negative, means complex root. This b square minus 4ac, it is called discriminant value. If it is negative, means a square root of negative number. You can write there square root of negative number. So square root of negative number means complex root, complex solution or non-real solution. Non-real solution. So we won't get any real solution. See, both ways you have seen. This is how you will proceed. Please do subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching.